What's going on YouTube? This is me, and today we're gonna be looking for really cool mission from Hack the Box, and is it calling some Multimaster. Really difficulty is insane and Windows machine. Um I really like it, this machine. Actually, I didn't solve it before, but I just giving my eyes on some write-ups, and I decided I have to solve it at my YouTube channel with you. I need to say there's two things we did. We actually are gonna be doing here. Weapon testing and Active Directory, which content I really love it, and I don't know why, but I'm really appreciating myself because of weapon testing and Active Directory. I love this content, and I'm sure I'm doing those are really cool. So in this video, we're gonna be looking for really cool and Active Directory weapon testing machine, and it could be first of all. We're jumping with SQL Injection, and maybe we can do something different with SQL Injection here. The SQL map will not always show you really cool things. And the second one is definitely after we get shot from the Windows machine, and then we can grab in here with Active Directory with skills and privilege escalation, pivoting, and something like that. So if you're ready, let's get started. So as always, we are starting here with mmap scan, and we are using -c for default scripts, and -sv for version number, and -pm for gathering here to be dumping. So this is really cool mmap scan we got it here, and it could be, I think, is really helpful to us too much. So let me go my GenericWrite, and I think I can now add it at my boxes right now. So let's go, let me call here Multimaster, and let's select it icon, and we are right now is working on 53 is domain, and there is an 80 port is open, which one is working on HTTP, and which one we can do something. So there's some really other things I really love it, and CyberRut, and then we can use it here CyberRut for looking something brute forcing username or something like that. Maybe it's not needed, I don't know yet. So let's do this. Another things is LDAP, so it means we can use it here BloodHound for privilege escalation or something like that, but it need to be getting here a domain name successfully here, and which one is really cool. Let's say another things we can grab in here for more mmap scan. Let me check it. There is yet the other things we got multimaster.megacorp.local from mmap scan is here, so it means we need to be go here etc host as always. So let's say we etc and house, and you will see here is multimaster megacorp.local, and megacorp.local is already here. We are generally using for them the domain name, but it's not needed for running a website because we can reach it out here with just IP addresses, so it's not needed, I think. So this is really cool. Weapon testing will be, I think. So there's a login page we got, and we got here the username and password. So let's say here admin and admin, and what about says we can log in. It says the login system is currently under mentions, and please try again later. So let me intercept this on here, and then let's close, and it's not intercepting here. Let's say intercept is off here, and go for example hub, and then let me check it. Can we grabbing something? It's look like no. So what about if I'm gonna gallery, and let's do this. Target as now we got here on the home page, and then it just says is not modified, and then we are now is powered by ASP.NET, and is college finder we found is already. So let's say for example A, and do this, and it's look like working here on post method, and which one I think is really important. So let me actually send it here. And we already seen it here, and we got some username, I think, which one is really cool. And I'm like, it says megacorp.htp for using your domain name, I think, but we already got it here from mmap scan. Then I'm just thinking about these are really cool for for grabbing here the username list, I think. Let's say what we can do. Can we go here and what it says? It says these are when you are is it for college finder? So let me say is here. It's because I find it here make a curve.htp for all, right? So let's say z here, then what's gonna be showing us here? It's just showing us the which has here is a z from their username or the name is over there. So let's say it's a again because we know it will be dumping us all username here. It because we are already gathered here. They have megacorp.htp here. So let me actually be copy them. So let's go here. Control Shift T. What's going on? Control Shift T. And we can open here new tab and go for home value document and multimaster. When we actually save them, we result. Let's say we can grabbing them here for saving. Now we can save them successfully. So let's say cat result gq dot and with it Caesar. Yeah, it can be successfully grabbing us to listing here. Is there anything different? Let me check website, or now we can jump in here directly. Something different? No, it's look like here nothing. So let's say grabbing here search, for example, because it's I think is giving us here username like that, or we can say email, right? So it will be giving us here email list, and I think we can successfully gather here you know we can successfully gather here the username list. So let's using some bad skills and cut dash d, and what we can do, we have to be give this right dash f2f. Why is not working? We are maybe here 1, nope, 3, oh it's 4, let's say 5, and then we grabbing here the right numbers email list like that, and now we can say I think dash d again, and then email with this one, nope, let's say dash f2. What I have to be say here, we can grabbing here to be with email, but let's say using here oak. Can we use a here oak? I think yes. So oak dash f, and let's say here when the parentheses and print, let's do 1. Oh, it's just our email, right? So what about 2? And it's successfully giving us here username list as like here, but we have to be grabbing and deleting something here. Let's say print 3. If I'm gonna say what it's serving us here, nothing, right? I'm sorry, I have to be kill this one. Nothing, right? So it could be equal to here too. Right now we can grabbing here successfully the username list as like here. What we can do, I'm just wonder, I think we can call cut dash d again, and we can cut dash d, and what it says dash f1. Yes, let's say 2. Yes, I think as a successfully we can grabbing here something. It's just need we need to be cut again, we have to be used for let's use it here again, awk -f print. We need to be giving here parentheses, right? Let's say is $1 and 2 is nothing, right? So it's not gonna be we can say here right now usernames.txt. Let's say less usernames.txt, and we got here username.txt successfully. Then we can go here, I don't know what is running on, but let's say Sublime tags or nano. We can use nano and username.txt, and then we can grab it by way one. So I really cannot wanna here find here how we can do it. Maybe we can ask a ChatGPT why we don't not do it. I don't know. So let's do this by one like that. Oh, it has to be look like HTTP, right? Yes. So let's grabbing here usernames list, and I think we can was using here the Kerberos. I don't know why we are not did this. Let's do after to do that. I think as a first of all we grabbing here username list with successfully. So let's say cat usernames.txt is always here. So let's go here gallery and college finder. So and you know it's college finder is always like that. So let's try here SQL injection and giving here pipe, and it says here 403 is forbidden. So it's look like you do not have permission to view this directory page. Then it means they are hiding here SQL injection with this method. So if we can give here something different things with SQL injection, it will directly here changing. I mean, so it's not gonna be giving us here. So I think we can give it here find it here blacklist with FFUF. So let's say let's go here, let me show you my skills from FFUF and the C-U. I just have to be given here college finder with this IP addresses is definitely with that yes, we have to be just use it here. Yes, and dash v user share wordless sackless. I think we can go. I'm just trying to be go here fuzzing with maybe here special characters. Let's try to find special chars.txt is here. I don't know why I'm let's say special chars.txt, and then which special chars we have to be giving here. We giving the here the dash d for its name here as like that. So we have to be just give it this, and where we are have to be fuzzing here. We have to be fuzzing here, and let's say give it this one. And then it will be ending here, and it always is showing us here forbidden, I think. So let's say dash hash, maybe we have to be giving here host name, so I miss a content type or something like that. So I think we can now give it here content type as like here. I just want to be copy this, and then dash hash, and give it here, no, let's copy like that, right? Content time from UTF-8. So let's do. All right, so it's I think it's finding for us to be here blacklist. I think these are into the blacklist for we can use them. It's because you know they are having here for us. So let's say if it's all from this one, if we can use it. So let's say here, maybe we can say change something dash dash sc. Just I don't want to be show here two or fc. I think yes. Now we can showing here which one is status is giving us a 500, and then it says it's here as backslash is here not into the blacklist here. So it means we can use it here backslash, and it says are forbidden. But what about if I'm gonna be using here like man sci? So we will use it here before. If you remember from SACMAT, I don't remember. I'm gonna be recording video for this, but we have to be just call it here man sci. But it will be showing us here man sci for decoding. Like I was using here for something different here, and it always says or you have to be giving on C programming with dash E script is not it. So for example, let me say here dash U before to be running here, and let's say what's going on the, for example, on the G, and you have to be using for hexadecimal. It's what it says for hexadecimal, it's 27. So let's say here 27. It says or an error has occurred here. So let's look like for you maybe is nothing working, but let's change it with this U and the 00, and what's going on, and it says or here null. So now we can grab it here 200 and for request after the response here. So that means we can use it here with as you can see here with hexadecimal, I think here, right? So what we have to be go here maybe here cyberchef, and then let's say here we have to be some escaping Unicode characters. So let's call here Unicode escape Unicode characters dash U, and its padding could be here 4. So let me changing it, and then it's will be showing us here, and after union select or something like that, we have to be user, right? That's actually why I'm talking about you for this one. It's need to be, we have to be grabbing here something different, and it's definitely could be here union, I think. So let me encode all chars, and then when I say it here dash union, and it will say it's forbidden as like here you can see. But if I'm gonna be encoded it with Unicode characters is over there, and then let me changing with that says null. So let me try to be seeing here something different with I want to be actually show you two commands here. Which one is first of all with speeds is a for sure with SQL map, and then we can do here really fasting Python skills. Actually I was decided to here running here Python skills will be really cooler. But I want to show you different things to here is also. So let me actually be deleting them all, and then let me show you how we can do with SQL map. So I'm going to be giving here stars, and let's say go here Multimaster and nano, and then college, right? College dot request. I think we have to be say, and then just give it this one. And right now we have to be running here SQLmap-r and college request. I think we have to be given here. So let me show you here SQLmap dash help, and what it says are let me go here, and yes, we can use it here proxy with dash proxy, and what about else? Let me show you which one I want to be using here. Maybe it's not here. recognition. Let's say I want to be using here tamper and SQL map tamper. Yep, tamper scripts we have to be given, or you can go here SQL map GitHub directly for project. And I want to be using here tamper. It's because given here too many things like greatest, like we can encoding something. So let me, if I'm gonna maybe I'm not gonna be sure, but so let's say tamper. Yes, I think it's tamper is really cool things. What we can do, I just want to be show you here, and then yes, it's this Python code did this. What we can do, yep, I have to be do this as from MS SQL, MySQL, and PostgreSQL, and then we have to be working with this, and then I think we have to be cover char Unicode encoding here, or another things we can find. We're just sure about it. We have to be using it -u 00 or 00 is not funny here. Why? Let me check it. Yeah, it's could be here. Escape Unicode. So char Unicode and escape here. I think we can call as it correct. I think it's so. Let's say -- delay 5 and -- level 5 -- risk is 3, and I generally use it here batch. I don't want to be giving yes or no for, and I was told you about thing proxy. Yes, we can use a proxy here. Let me use here proxy -- proxy. I have to be giving your proxy like that, and HTTP I just have to be giving your localhost. Let me call for 8080, and then what I'm gonna say here, enter. So is it maybe you're showing us SQL injection methoding, and now it's target is predicting some kind of web APIs checking as stable. Now it's checking for it. Or so just want to be sure here if there's really has SQL injection. Now, first of all, I told you we can do it with SQL map. We have to be just use it like that. Then after that we can use it here the Python codes. I think we can code it here Python and really fast. Actually love my Python skills, and then I think we can do it. So we are doing here something also here with manually will be really cooler. So let's say SQL injection.python. I think we can call, yes. So first of all, we have to be used import the request as always, right? You know, as request we have to be used always here. Now we need to be here URL, and you are knowing URL is definitely for sure. Let's say or URL could be here. Let's give it here for just like that, and after that we have to be added what we are found before, and the post method is over there. So if you're giving here the proxy on our SQL map, so let me actually copy this. If you're giving here proxy as like for HTTP, I think we can give it here proxy too. Let's say can we give it here proxy? So let's say proxies, and it could be equal here. We just have to be giving here parentheses, and HTTP is working on this definitely, and then you just have to be giving your IP addresses. So let me use here localhost from 8080 port. So right now we have to be do what we have to be do here, the from SQL map, and we are now is using here char Unicode escape. So let's start in here with creating new function, and says this Unicode and crap. So we have to be given here from txt, and the out will be is definitely always has to be is null here, and for I in txt, and we need to be out, and then give it here, and if we call it here out is null, we have to be adding something out, and then let's say this one I think will be always like backslash and -u and 00, and why we are thinking about it, it's because it's coming here. So this one will be what we are thinking before from ManSCI, and it says there is like 27 or something like that. So we have to be given this is a for sure is a person and s, because this value we are gonna be given this, and let's say is a percent, and then hacks we have to be just running here the hacks, and which hacks we have to be used is ordinate, and let's say is I, and let's go for 2 and sorry, let's go return here out. Return here out, yes, like that. So while true, we have to be grabbing here something to be whiling, and just need to be here like headers. So let me give you here headers, and why we are actually doing here same thing with SQL map. We're just choose this, it's because it will be more faster. We have to be just grabbing your same things, which one is equal content type. It's application JSON here. Content type is equal application and JSON. We just need to be given like that, right? That's really cool. And then let's go for cmd is equal to raw input. I think we can call. Give it here to input will be originally using here hash. I love it. And encoded cmd, which we have to be encoded it, right? Unicode grab what we are giving here the function from the cmd, what we are getting here from cmd, and payloads need to be here encoding too, and let's say name we are grabbing here, and what we can do, and encode the cmd, I think we can add it, right? Encoded cmd, can we call it? So let's try, and print payload here, and if you're using here request, what we have to be using here request post, and URL, I mean always we have to be using like, and data will be equal here payload, and headers equal to headers as always, proxies is equal to proxies, right? Print or the text and print here. We can add it like that because it means it will be ending here, right? So let me check it for what's going on. It says or something is injectable here, but it's really cool. I think it's go for not fast. So let's say is it working? We're coding it 2007. What? I think you can add here read line. Let's do what? Is it not from pip277 request install request. Nope. So I did here import request maybe. Now, damn. What's going on? Let me ask. Maybe I can did here something wrong, right? Is ChatGPT is working now? Should we got it here? Oh, print, or I think we can say here is it why? What it says us. Let's say, all right, so can we do here, for example, ID? Yes, I think we need to be here, change it with cool things is requests. So let's do, and then, okay, it's work. What it says or response is giving us here, then I think we can now here giving some, maybe is SQL injection payload. So let's say if I'm gonna give here union select 1, 2, 3, 4, and 5, response is not giving us it's because we are dealing here are the tags maybe, I don't know what I'm doing wrong, but yes, it's showing us here this one, but it's not showing us. So let's try here. What it says is giving her here null, right? Should we sure here if it's SQL injection? What's going on SQL map? It's adding it. I think it's fun for us here for payload. So what I grabbing it and giving here for payload, so we have to be deleting it. And what it says, let's see, it says are forbidden here, and I don't know why. Oh, it's because union select, and we have to be giving or payload. So if it's our payload. So let me give you my Python code here. So let's say what we got on burp sleeve. Great. And yes, great. So we got grabbing here some email like 53. So what is it for? Is it like a hash or is it just email? So let me go correct station. And I'm not a robot. Yeah. Fuck it. Oh, it's not unrecognized. So what we have to be do for SQL map for grabbing all, let's say SQL map again. So if I'm gonna be just now all users here. So what we have to be do, what I have to be do for all users. So what kind of, SQL map I have to be used. So let's say --dump -all and -exclude from system databases. So let's go. I don't know why it's not working, but it has to be work. I think print and or the text. Maybe I have to be run. Let me ask. I'm not sure how we can run it. What's going on here? Yeah, I did. You know, print our tags. I did it before. So yeah, I did it. So let's say again here. We actually was a user here for SQL map, right? So but it was Caesar from here. You can use it for it was grabbing us this one, right? So right now we have to be run for my SQL injection. Yes, now it's working. I think that is really cool, and we can continue here with my Python code. I was don't know where was the here wrong, but let's say again union select 1 2 3 4 5, or we can say here it's giving us the here null. What about if I'm gonna give them this one? Is it gonna be changing something? Yes. As it just now is giving us here, as always, is giving me ID 1 is name is source and 5. So that is really cool. Now we can changing something here like let's say which one we can change. Let's try to be grabbing here for let's try from 5, starting with 5, and then let's say database name can we grab. Then it's just giving us here database name. And I did something wrong. In the 1 2 3 4 and 5. Let's say change it with this one A B C D. Maybe is it because this A B C, and then we're just we have to be just right now. Yes. Oh, great. So let's say again, starting here always union select 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, right? It doesn't matter actually what we are, or it's just giving here string. But let's say, and just remove them and say database name null. If I'm gonna change with this one, oh sure, I have to be giving here, if I'm gonna be remove them, I have to be at parentheses. Then great, so we were grabbing here or database name successfully. So let's say if it's equal to here database name, and what is equal actually just source and database is something like that, right? So let me check it. SQL map, I think it's try to be grabbing here hashes, and then we can do here manually fastly, I think. So I don't know, I'm just thinking about it. So let's say again we have to be grabbing them with manually. I think we can do it really fast. So let's say union select as it same from. We are starting here with the 4. If I'm gonna say name from what was or as database, right? Database has to be just giving like that. And system objects, for example, we can say, and you can grabbing them from payloads for all the things. Actually, let me show you. And where x type equal here, the for example could be like username. So let's say let me check actually is it gonna be work. X type will equal here username. It's just giving us a here null. So let me go payload all the things. What? It's definitely not Postgre. Could be here MS SQL or MySQL. Yes, I just want to be doing it this one. Why is it not working? I don't know. Yes, system object where is equally you. Where I'm doing wrong. Let's select name from master system object where x type like that. Maybe let's try this. Name from, now it's giving us a here null. Let me change name from databases. I think we cannot, or what was, I really don't know, or hop databases, right? Let's say it's giving us a here, so let's change with this. No, still giving us a here as null. Name from hub databases master. Oh yeah, I have to change it with this. That is great. So we got grabbing here colleges as for the next one, and how we can grab it, and we are grabbing it with this payload. I think which one is really cool. Then I think we can go for next one. List tables. Nope. Let's try to use them where ID, select ID from system object where users. So let's say I have to be used with its name from, so system columns, right? We have to be give. So let me actually did it what it's going on from payloads, all the things. Okay, name from system columns. I have to be given here, right? And then where ID use us. So let me try to go for use us here. Is it gonna be work? Let me running directly is nope. Let's say giving like logins. It's giving her still no. So does it look like it's not working or we are doing something wrong? It could be where ID and select ID from system objects and the var name is equal. I have to be giving here this one, right? That's for sure. Oh, it's a bug. It's a bug. So let's say if I'm gonna say here the use us is giving us here use us here. Look like. Or is it just we now as logins or we are right now is grabbing here with username and is there a password? I wonder. So let's say password. Yes, is there some password too? So let's grabbing select user ID, username from users. We have to be use this directly here, I think. So let's just give it this. Union select and we are just trying to be grabbing here. Let's say union select one and a. Let's change it with this one. And then we are just now we can try to be grabbing username and password from logins what we are grabbing before. So let me check if it's work. Then yes, it worked. So we're grabbing here the hash. So what's going on? All right. So SQL map is also giving us here name. That is really cool. So I think it's right now we are just need here grabbing this hash. This is our first hash, but I think I have to be save them here, right? So that was really cool, and this one will be our next hash, and this one is could be here next hash too. Does it look like something is same here? CF here, nope. Okay, we grab here this one before, this one is same, this one is same. So I think we just grabbing here for let me remove it. Great, so let's say then I think we can use it here hashes. We need to be working with these hashes right now, right? And let me check if it's crackable. Maybe we can do here. Let me say I'm not a robot. Oh, it's not found here, but as we know, these are need to be crackable here, I think. So, if you have it here usernames, so where's our usernames actually? Okay, so let's actually starting here corroborate too. Let's go corroborate and --tc. I have to be giving here domain controller IP addresses, which one is equal that, and -t make a carp.local, and then I have to be giving here user share word list, sac list, and usernames. Let's do Zato 10 million usernames.txt. What? Should I give it here -3? What? So cp opt kerberos Linux is here, and then let me go kerberos. Yes, I was used it like that before. What's it's wrong here right now? It's not a unknown command, bro. It's fuck. What's wrong, bro? So first of all, let me crack this hash, okay, and then we can grab it down here. Let me say 0 for nano and hashes. Control and hashcat I want to be used, hashcat -m. Generally we are using here for grabbing hashes here, too many hashes. If there use this flag, user share word is a racket txt and --forwards. Okay, while it's grabbing here the hashes, I think we alright, it's already is grabbing here the hashes like that successfully. There's two things we will get here success. The first of all, with success is got your username says, after that is hashes, with our Python skills and or SQL map skills, I think. So let's do, I think to Kerber I need to be work here, bro. What? Alright, so it's cracking some hash, and let me checking which one is not crackable. This is crackable, this is crackable, this is crackable, but this is not. Alright, it's okay. I think if you have it here, the password list, let me adding down passwords. Password 1, finance 1, banking 1. Great. So crack map exec, I think right now we can run smb. I have to be giving here IP address and then -u and the usernames.txt and -p. I have to be say passwords. Let's checking for if there's an we can find something different. So does it look like it's now trying to for all user, but I think we need to hear another users from carburet, because why is carburet is open here? There is no meaning to be after that. So let me go home Elliot documents multimaster, or let's say opt carburet Linux is here. I don't know, bro, why it's not working, right? Oh, is it could be here? Maybe. No, it's not dash. So let's say. Great. If I'm gonna do here cp, right now is opt. Okay, let's say carburet. Okay. And I have to be the user enumeration here, you know, and -dc I have to be give this IP addresses for sure, and -t I have to be give domain name, which one is equal megacorp.locale, and then give it here with Zato. Yeah, it's like that, you know. So it's look like no user list has this password is already, but maybe after that we can grab in here some user list and we can find here correct password, I think, or something like that. So we are just not right now is that didn't know, it's not working. Okay. Or should we grabbing here? Oh, is it font administrator alias something like that? But I don't think so. It's gonna be a bug. Let's see. Oh, is it look like funny here or needless? Okay. So cat usernames.txt, for example, is there Lana? No. Great, so can we do it fastly for new usernames? I think we can do. Let's say crackmap exec. Let me and changing with this Lana at megacorp.local. Nope. Let's say with dash key. Okay. Nope. So let's do again with another user we found is the AI here. Okay, what about Alice? Let me check what's going on here. Alice is look like is not Vogue too. I don't think so it's gonna be work for administrator, or should we try to be get what we can do to let's try to be so let's say looking for MS SQL domain admins SQL injection. Maybe we can oh, is it something different? Oh, that's great. I think as it could be here intended way. Like, I mean, what about this? It's from getting here domain admin, I think. It's grabbing domain admin here. So we can grab in here domain admin list maybe. So let's try add my Python list. What? Where is SQLinjection.python? Where is it? Oh, it's from CP. I have to go back to SQLinjection Python here. Okay, so let's try to say union select, and let's say one, and I have to be giving here system fm. I have to be given like that. I think what we are actually doing here from grabbing here domain admin's name, we're being to hex string, and it could be here as user sid. So it could be here domain admins, I think. Let's say megacorp domain admins. Okay, I'm just trying to be grabbing here domain admins. Maybe we can grabbing from them 4 or 5. So I have to be giving this one, right? 4, 5. So let's say, does it look like working? Oh, it's for error Martin. So let's use here r.martin. Oh, it's giving us a here null. Why? I have to be given this one because of now okay, I grab this. I have to be adding here as underscore, right? Let's say domain admins like that. Maybe. Shit. Okay, let's try to be remove them, and then giving here domain admins like that. Let's try. Is our Martin? Nope. What? So let's try from verb suite. Maybe is it gonna be nope. Shit. Let me send it. What is delaying here? I don't know, bro. after some while, I think, let me check it for grabbing time. Is it gonna be funny here? I think it will be fun here. I'll see be like this. As it look like it's not working. So let's say without this one. Nope. Maybe we are doing wrong. Megacorp.local. I think we can add it, but just is changing here the username with Tuseki Katomo. Let me give this like. Alright, so it's look like a funding with just this username, and it will be grabbing here after some while. So let's say, can we use it for Windows RM? Then we can grab in here shell. Alright, so it's working on the here for Windows RM. I think we can use it. Let's say clear evil dash Windows RM here. We have to be used directly, right? Windows RM, then we can call here dash u. Let's say crack map exec. Also, as always, we are giving here dash u and dash p. It was finance one, and let me give this. Oh, we have to be giving here dash I. That is really cool. And then let me, if there's a flag, and go back here, desktop, and user.txt. That is really cool. We grabbing here first flag, which one is equal to user flag is here. Really cool. I really like it. That's cool. Great. So what we can do right now, let me check in here is here. The first of all will be here dir. It look like nothing here, and let me go here directly on the C tab, and it'll be funny here. Generally go for program files if there's some Windows Defender for. Let me check it. As it we found here Visual Studio. I don't know, is it needed to be do it? I don't think so, but how we know is we can run. Let me go back and go for program data, call it here dir, and we are successfully can get here cp opt privilege escalation, and got this PowerShell one. I generally use it, and then uploaded it. And then let me show you how we can use it. GitHub, yes, it could be here. I need to be stored it, so let me go here. Then I think we can, yeah, is it stored for me? So you can run it with this, txt, HTML or something like that. So let me just enter it. So it will be showing us some. Actually, privilege escalation skills for us. So what we can do here, and how does it work, and how is it not work it too. All right. So let me check, maybe is it find something. Let's give it here domain users. As informational. So let me go as informational. So it has to be giving here status is vulnerable here. So it's not vulnerable. It says or here you can say status vulnerable is low, but it could be as away. So it's still here giving us here low. So what kind of things? I think we can wrapping here for privilege escalation PowerShell 1 for run it at as informational, as not vulnerable. As it says, or I think it has to be say when it found as vulnerable to as it always is saving us here, which ports are open or listening. Informational too. Alright, so it's fun here, medium, but it for anti-authority system I think it's not needed right now. So let me grabbing here. Yes, and it's adding. I think it could be here. Font already is right now. What's going on? Is it things or which one is vulnerable? Things is funny here. So Control Shift S and says here vulnerable. All right, let's see here. Let's go not vulnerable. All right. Is it funny here? Something different from is with DLL file. Alright, I think it was the funny here. Yes. So is it because it's running from Microsoft SQL Server here? No. So I'm just wondering, does it say something with about visual? Nope, here. So let's go again here, go back, and let's say there I think as we can find something with VS Code. Let's say VS Code privilege escalation. So let's say Visual Studio code flash escalation on Windows. What it says, or is giving her this CVE, and let's give her this CVE, I think. So let's check it out. Okay. So what we have to be do? Okay, for exploitation, what we need to hear. So let's go. We cannot run it here on Windows box, right? Yeah. So what about else? Sec alerts is here. It's ending, then I think. Let me close it down. Let's say what we need to be using here is something like exe file or not, right? So if I'm gonna call it here oxdf, no. Alright, I think it's somewhere we need. Not here, not here. I think I'm. So let's see what's going on. Code. Oh, we don't need to be do on. And it's from. Let's see. We are not seeing anything here. Let's say cefdebug GitHub. I think we need to be use them for let me go. What? Cefdebug exe file. Isn't there any exe file? Wow. Yes, this cefdebug exit look like here. Let me home Elliot and downloads and cefdebug zip here, and now let me unzip cp cefdebug and the cefdebug exit here. Let me try to be uploading and run it at what's going on. I'm just wonder. So let me go here, program data, cefdebug exit is here, and then let me upload it, and then let me see if it's work. Alright, so let me try to be run them. Cefdebug.exe, and then let me see what's going on. Does it need to be giving us here some WebSocket SID with IP addresses, I think? Then we can run it. Let me see. Is it just giving us here some can we using any of them maybe? So it's what it will be not needed here. Let me show you how we can is run it with really fast. Let me use a PowerShell reverse shell. Yes, this one. And let me say here nano reverse or let's say shell.powershell. We have to be just give it is like that and changing here just IP addresses. Control and Control X, sublim tags and shell that PowerShell 1, and I think we just need to be go here and giving my IP addresses just like that. And after that we can call this 444 and upload. Let me share upload shell.powershell 1. Then I think we can use it here debug exe for grabbing here ncat. Let me run here cfdebug exe is like here. Okay, dash URL. I have to be give just any URL you can give here. For example, nope, I don't want to be open this file. Let's say that for example, if I'm gonna be copy selection and just give it here. Okay. Let's say after ff we just need to be giving here run here faster, right? So let me changing this command to me. I just want to be show you how we can do it fastly. Let me go here. I'm just trying to be go files. Okay, upload the files. Let me show you. I'm just trying to be getting here the first files.fm-u and 43 ap hash 27 vol 4. Alright, so I have to be run this command here. Yep. So let me actually change it. I have to be giving here copy selection, and let me change with this, and Maybe I need to be running here Python 3 with -m. I don't know, let me try. On 80. Let me try actually give it this, and then let's see, maybe it's gonna be giving us to here reverse shell. Let's do I don't know why it's not working. Or ancat.exe maybe we can do, huh? So documents and multimaster and cp opt ancat.exe here. Let me see, it's look like not working, you know. And then let me say enable Windows or RAM here. Okay, so let me go here, program data 2. Okay, upload ancat.exe. Okay, I will use it here, upload.exe. I think it will be more cooler, right? Let's say gain 444, and I know I have to be running here cefdebug.exe, cefdebug.exe --code. I have to be giving here code, right? So we are actually did it before, and the code need to be like that. It always will be same. The from exec. Okay. Then after the exec, I think we can call on this, yes, C. Let's go program data and run ancat.exe for giving your IP addresses here on for this port, and then -e cmd and --url. I have to be give it this URL here. So let me see, is it gonna be work? No. Let me check where I'm doing wrong here. I don't think so. I am doing something wrong here. Maybe is it about that? So let me check if cefdebug is successfully running here. Alright, so let me check cefdebug.exe. So let's try this one. Maybe I have to be here really fast. Oh, maybe. Oh, I think these are for a few seconds because it's changing like that, you know? Yep. Let's see. But we are not still grabbing here. Reverse shell. Why? Let me change it with 445, maybe. Firewall. So let me grabbing new socketing here. I think it's need to be work right now. I have no idea why it's not work. So let me say, let's try to be running it one more time maybe. Oh, why not? So just listening here, and I have to be run cefdebug exa again, and which port it's listening is encat mvlp 444. It could be. So let me give new one. Then I think we can grab here shell from as a new user, which one is equal to. Let me do. There is no servers right now is working for Visual Studio. Nope. Let me say exit. Okay. Then let me reset the machine. does it look like? Let me send it pink. Let me connect the Windows area one more time. What's going on, bro? Yeah, it's reachable. What's wrong? Yes. So let me go here again, program data. So let me say here dir and upload here cf or what is it? Okay, cefdebug exe and anchor exe I want to be actually running here, right? Upload it here anchor.exe. So let's do this again. The first of all we need to be run cefdebug.exe here, I think, and let me check what's going on. Alright, it's just one server. So let me copy link. Alright, so we are just grabbing it here as a correct one. I think it's yes. And let me run this for grabbing here reverse shell. Why it's not giving me any reverse shell here? So let me try for this one. I don't know why it's not working, bro. Right. So let's say it's basic things like who am I? Maybe it's why it's not working, right? So let's say who am I? And let me try to save it here. C program data user.txt. Unless it's get a grabbing here, nothing. So maybe it's so. Can we go here as the next flag? So next password, which one is equal to development? Right, I grabbed it. Does it look like something wrong? Usernames. I want to be try with this one, with this password. I think. As a for sure, we have to be give this one. Oh, it was gathered here shell. Should we just wait here? Anyway, so let's say cefdebug.exe. Alright, there's nothing we can grab, so let me check it with our new users is here. But which one is we just need to be now. I have to be using this or new password, and with our new user is sbauer. It's gonna be like that, yes. So let me go here, let me call here dir, go for users, and then I'm say here dir again, and I'll be grabbing them all. Then I think is the next one we have to be go. So then I think we can do here with sharpen.exe maybe. Then grab it great. So let's say go for program data, go here. I think we need to be called right now as sharpen. Let me say locate sharpen.exe file. Now here. It's need to be somewhere here. Oh, it's because sharpen, right? Yep. So let me copy here and then go for upload here from sharpen upload sharpen.exe. What's wrong? So it will be giving us here, if because LDApp is open, I think we can do here with LDApp really cool things. Let me run it with some flags for sure. I have to be giving here -c all. I want to be grabbing here all the things here. Then we can move it or Kali Linux and looking for which one is. So I think we're gonna be using here sudo neo for G. Yep. Let's go. What will be funny for us? Alright, so it's adding right now and it's giving us here this one. So let me say download. This one's not download, we can use, right? So let's say we need to be grabbing them. Let's say curl HTTP. I'm gonna be using here is a BloodHound zip. Download. It's gonna be used like that. I didn't remember for now. So let's say, yeah, it was here right now. Yeah, it was like that. That's correct. So let me go here. Make there is new things. Which one is equal blood? So let me go here. Blood. CP BloodHound here. Let me unzip. BloodHound. Let me run it here. Let me see what's going on. I have to go here and clear it database. I want to be clearing database here. Uploading here data. Go for home, Elliot documents, and then let me say here Multimaster upload, and I want to be grabbing here all JSON file. Is it something wrong? I don't think so. Oh, why is it not uploading? So let's say again. I don't know why it's not working. It has to be fasting here. This one, right? Yep. So let me check, can we find here sbauer? Oh, what was our usernames? It was like, let me check, who am I? Yep, like that. No, it's not, because as users is not yet uploading here. So let's do that again. Let me just upload here users. Alright, great. So, alright, so can we grab it and giving here mark user as audit and go for analysis. Shortest path for high local, megacorp local is here, right? That's cool. Alright, which OR is highest, and we can go here Jorden. So what it says, I wanna be actually using here Linux abuse, and then it actually says her GenericWrite. It's access grants ability and non-attribute at members of a group. So let's say here directly, can we do, let me check, I just want to hear. Get AD user Jorden set ADI account control, so does not recur paths. Let me show you like that, but it's not recur path. Okay, true. Okay, I just want that right now it's get user SPN's not working here. So let me say in packet get users SPNs or get MPA. Okay, I have to be use this, right? So let's say megacorp dot local Jorden -dc-ip. I have to be just give this IP addresses, and right now let me check it. Can we grab it this hash? Was it asking us the password? Let me give you here the password. Alright, so we can grabbing the hash from Jorden. So let me call here nano hash John hash wordless record txt. So if we can grabbing here the password, yes, we are successfully got here flag enable Windows or RAM. I think we need to be giving our with new password and with our new user. Alright, so let me check it fastly. Who am I? And prove. That is cool. So let me check what we can do with this. What? Okay, who am I? Priv again? Time zone, increase working, remote shutdown, change notify, shutdown privilege. So we can grabbing something with administrator, I think here. So can we use it here echo C backup privilege? So let me check it here. Windows. Okay, we found it here. What it says about. Okay, C backup privilege. I think we can use it right now. Those are actually look like cool, but I wanna be actually use here ACL full control. Give it this. Let's okay. Let me go and exit here. I think I have to be do CP home Elliot and downloads ACL full control PowerShell 1. So let me go here Jorden documents and upload here what we are actually got. Let's say ACL full control.PowerShell 1. Dash user and let's say megacorp Jorden dash path C users and administrator. Let me say I think it's right now is work. So let's say can we say here C users administrator. So can we say desktop 2? Great, so right now we can type in here root.txt. So let me go type. Okay. Also, why is they needed permission? Oh, bro. It's need to be, we have to be do it. Desktop and root.txt. Let's say, oh, permission is in it, we got. Why? let's run to it like that. Yeah. So why we cannot do that? It's permission denied, the error we got. But maybe we can do move right C users administrator root.txt C program data. Alright, so we have to add here desktop. Alright, so let me go here, program data. Let me check it here, root.txt is here. Alright, great. So let me type here root.txt. Oh, what the fuck? No, bro, it's not cool, bro. I didn't like it. So is there any way we can do it? Let me check it. So let me say ls again. Is there encat.exe? So let me upload here encat.exe. Okay. Now let me check what's going on and what it did here. So there's too many things, but let me check what it actually XDF here. Is it not the correct way? I have to be just give this 10.10.65. Okay, it's okay. Great. And then let me say anchor listen for 443. Fuck it, bro. So let me use this directly. And grabbing the here administrator. Alright, so that was what I'm talking about here. And thank you for watching this video. I will be really enjoyable this video.